Drop servicing is a business model that involves selling services to clients without actually performing the services yourself. Instead, you outsource the work to a freelancer or another service provider, and then you charge your client a higher price for the service. Here's an example of how to make money online with drop servicing. 1. Identify a niche. The first step is to choose a niche that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could be anything from graphic design to social media management, web development, or even content writing. 2. Find service providers. Once you have chosen a niche, start looking for service providers who specialize in that area. You can find them on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. 3. Create a website. Create a website where you can showcase the services you offer and the benefits of working with you. You can use platforms like WordPress or Wix to create a professional-looking website. 4. Market your services. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to market your services. You can also use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target your ideal clients. 5. Outsource the work. Once you have a client who wants to use your services, outsource the work to a service provider. 6. Make sure that you choose someone who is reliable and has a proven track record of delivering high-quality work. Deliver the service. Once the service provider has completed the work, review it and make sure it meets your quality standards. Then, deliver the service to your client and collect payment. 7. Repeat. The key to making money with drop servicing is to repeat the process. Keep marketing your services, outsourcing the work, and delivering high-quality services to your clients. For example, let's say you choose social media management as your niche. You could offer services like creating social media posts, managing social media accounts, or running social media advertising campaigns. When you get a client, you can outsource the work to a social media manager on Fiverr or Upwork. You could charge the client $500 for a month of social media management services, and then pay the social media manager $300 to do the work. That way, you make a profit of $200 without actually performing the service yourself. As you scale your business, you can hire more service providers and offer more services, which will increase your earnings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more updates. Deconnect, signing off.